For Kenya, this is now a singular honor to host this event, especially after COVID pandemic. The tournament will be held at the Nyayo National Stadium, as you know, and we invite everybody, to come in and look at, watch these boys here, and they've done very well. We are very proud of them.
The preparations are going on very well. Today we are supposed to report to camp, and I believe it will be an amazing one, controlling it from the camp. Technical bench together with the playing unit, we are all gathered. We all have one goal, and the goal is to represent the jersey, represent that badge that we have. And I believe that we'll do everything possible to ensure that we remain within the KPIs that we've been given.